With the Photographer by Stephen Leacock. Stephen Leacock was born on December 30, 1869 and died on March 28, 1944. He was a Canadian teacher, political scientist, writer and humorist. Between the years 1915 and 1925, he was the best known English speaking humorist in the world. He is known for his light humor along with criticism of people's follies. He has written many prose pieces. All his prose pieces are known for their subtle humor. They talk about real life situation. With the Photographer is a short prose that describes Leacock's bitter experience with the photographer. Leacock went to a photographer to get himself photographed. The photographer's studio was made up of 2 rooms. One room was used as a waiting room and other room was used for taking photographs. The photographer had kept various ladies and children magazines of old times like Ladies' Companion for 1912, the Girls' Magazine for 1902 and the Infants' Journal for 1888 in the waiting room. The author waited for an hour and read those books. Then he was called into the inner room. The photographer rolled a machine into the middle of the room and crawled into it from behind. He was quite in there. The author thought that he was praying. Finally, he came out of the machine as he was not satisfied with the author's face. At that time, the author accepted that he knew that his face was wrong. The photographer wanted to take the best photograph and wanted to prove his skill. He took the author's head in his hands and twisted it sideways and looked at it. Leacock thought that the photographer was going to kiss him. The photographer didn't like the author's head. He asked the author to open the mouth and then immediately asked him to close it. He felt that the author's ears were bad, so he asked him to droop them a little more. He asked the author to roll his eyes under the eyelids, to put the hands on knees, to turn the face little upward, to expand the lungs, to hump the neck, to contract the waist, and to twist the hip up towards the elbow. By all the means, he wanted the best feature and expression of the author. So he took much time to arrange everything. The photographer was continuously criticizing the author's face as he felt that the face was not appropriate for a photographer. The author felt humiliated at this. He couldn't bear the insult anymore because the face was his own face. Though it was not beautiful and wasn't made for him, it was his face. Because of humiliation and insult of his face, the author was angry with the photographer. As the author started to rise from the seat, the photographer took his photograph. At that time, the photographer looked pleased as he had caught the features just in a moment of animation. Leacock was shocked, but the photographer asked the author to check the proof on Saturday and the photograph would be delivered by Sunday. On Saturday, the author went back to the photographer for his photograph. The photographer showed the author's photo. Looking at the photo, the author was surprised as the photographer made so many changes in his eyes, eyebrows, mouth, etc. He removed the eyebrows and he had retouched the eyebrows and he had retouched the eyes also. The photograph didn't look like the author's photo at all. So the author asked, "Is it me?" The photographer was a strange kind of person. He made so many changes in the photograph of the author's face that it did not look like his own. He adjusted a little in his mouth. He wanted to adjust his ears also. The author became furious. The author wanted a photograph which would resemble himself, which his friends could preserve after his death. But what the author wanted was not done at all. The photographer had almost changed author's eyes, eyebrows, mouth, etc. The photo never looked like the author's face. He loved his original face than the altered one. So according to the author, that was a worthless piece. He rejected the photo and left the studio with tears in his eyes. Thank you.